How to hide subscribers on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can hide your subscribers count. So firstly, open up youtube.com and come to your channel. So when you're here on your channel, click on manage videos. That is going to take you over to another page. From over here, click on the bottom left where it says settings. Once you click on that, click on channel, and then from over here, simply click on advanced settings. Scroll down, and then over here you guys will have an option which is going to be subscriber count. Display the number of people subscribed to my channel. You can simply uncheck this, and when you save this, your subscriber count is going to be hidden away from the public, and you guys will simply have your subscribers hidden away and never to be seen again. You can re-enable this option whenever you would like by simply doing the same thing over again and by simply checking the box, and then that is gonna let you get your subscriber count back. I hope this video helped you out guys. If it did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Till next time, goodbye.